Hey everybody, this is Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Special kind of package here today from my favorite socks, Swiftwick. I'm a brand affiliate with them, so I'll have my links down in the description below. So if you use those to purchase any of these awesome socks, I do get a small commission from them, but I mean, they're your best socks you will ever wear, guaranteed. I don't guarantee that they do though. Super comfortable, very durable, great compression, and a sock basically for everything you would want. Wear them for in the office, around home, out running, biking. So you can see we've got quite a few different pairs here, basically just in different kinds of colors. So you've got Maxxis. You can tell which ones are my favorite for everyday wear. Maxxis. There we go, Flight XT. These are my favorite ones for running in. They give you, pull them right out. They've got kind of a special pattern to them to really help grip to your feet and give you excellent compression and just enough padding in this pattern here to really kind of give you a good amount of comfort. You still get a good road feel on it. Great compression over the top of the foot. Very durable. These are the zeros. So it's just tab in the back, a little tab in the front, basically just little ankle socks. And so this gives you a nice grip and padding. So each of these kind of gray ribs here, that's a little extra cushioning, but then also helps your foot grip the inside of your shoe. You've still got some extra padding right here along where your arch would be. Excellent socks. So my girlfriend kept stealing my socks and wearing them, so we went with buying a whole bunch of them, as you can see. So we should be decent in the sock department as long as we continue to do laundry. But you can see here with the Maxxis, this is the Flight XT. This is the Maxxis. You can see, as the name may suggest, you have padding all across the bottom, maximum comfort, still great support, great compression across the top to give you a good solid, fits right on your foot, not going to slip and slide around. Still the zero too, so you got these little tabs here to keep them on. And you've still got some compression around the arch too, just really kind of keep your foot comfortable throughout the day and minimize the amount of slipping that the socks might do, which really helps with reducing things like blisters or just general pain points. You can see I am wearing the Maxxis. Most days when I'm just around home and working from home, that is what I am wearing. So that's why we've got so many new pairs of them. 5 pairs of those, 2 of the Flight XT, which will likely just be for my wear. I do like to wear these while I bike ride too. I know, oh no, cycling with short socks. If I do open up my drawer here, you can see more Swiftwick. These are the Aspire 4. I like to wear these for, well, cycling, work. These black ones are pretty much for work. They keep your feet feeling good, especially if you're going to be on your feet for long periods of time. They keep the blood flowing and make it so you stay comfy all day long. And 4 represents 4 inches in height. All right, and just to kind of shed a little bit of light, and you can see, some dog hair on here. It will inevitably get stuck into any sock you can possibly wear. You can see on the Aspire series, you've got a lot of kind of focused compression across the top of the foot, some arch support in the middle here, and then also a good amount of cushioning too. So as you kind of are on your feet or cycling for longer distances, really helps keep focusing the blood flow through, minimizing foot pain. You can get these too they're called military compliant. They just have minimal labeling on them. I am no longer in the military, so I can show off as many labels as I want and make all sorts of comments like, I personally love Swiftwick socks, which is why I'm replacing all of mine. You got cool blue here, lighter blue here. I picked this. This is like a slate blue, green, because I don't know, I like green. Kind of a teal, yeah. Then in the Maxis with that kind of slate blue. I'm really excited to actually have some socks to put on that aren't stolen, at least for now, by my girlfriend. I'm sure she will get her hands on them and wear them as well. She also seems to love these socks, kind of as I've noticed from going into my sock drawer and not having any available. Hopefully this kind of helps with that, so when I do reach into my sock drawer, I'll have a whole variety of different colors here in the Maxis and Flight XT. The Aspire 4 she doesn't really steal. She doesn't like high socks. I normally don't either unless I'm working or biking. Sometimes running too. You know, you just want that like compression around the ankles. Really helps with swelling on longer distances. And I have these also in like a navy blue and then a very bright blue. If you look closely at some of my pictures on Instagram, you'll probably have seen them. But anyways, thank you so much for watching today. Again, I'll have links down in the description below so that you can get yourself some awesome Swiftwick socks. If you use those links, just as a reminder, I do get a small commission from them, which just goes right back into either the channel itself or so I can get more socks. Wish that was a joke. I really do love these socks. I wear them basically every single day, unless I don't have them available. Then I do have like a couple of pairs of Brooks socks, but those are backups. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have you tried Swiftwick socks? Do you have a different pair of favorite socks? Do you not wear socks? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. I try to read through and respond to as many as I can. Yeah, check out my other videos. Again, I've been Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.